Welcome back to Ben's garage. Bit fresh this morning. It's not too bad. It was quite fresh yesterday, but it's not too bad. What temperature was it when you went out? 6 degrees when Tina went out. I'm going to end up looking like a gnome time I finish because I can't stop this hat from riding up. Anyway, today I'll give you a bit of a backstory. We've had a couple of there's some very what's the word? Oh shit. For the observant among you, and I know there's a couple because I've had comments, will notice that the front of our TDV8 hasn't got any badges, any lettering. Today we're going to remedy that. I have a little package here. This is some chrome bonnet lettering for Range Rover, so it's going to spell Range Rover obviously. Now because we haven't got letters we don't know where they are, but this kit comes from Powerful UK, comes with a template which you can stick on the bonnet and work out where they need to go. Comes with a wipe so you can wipe it all down. So what I'm going to do is measure to find the middle of the grille, put a mark on the bonnet, stick the template on, and then we can get sticking some letters on. So I did have a request, it wasn't a request, somebody who noticed that the bonnet didn't have any badges on it says you should do a video on that, so I'm delivering for you. Can't remember what your name was now, but anyway. So this is a video on how to apply bonnet decals, bonnet letters, bonnet badges, yeah, that kind of thing. So we're going to crack on. We're going to find where the middle of the bonnet is off the grille, stick the template, well, use the wipe on there, stick the template on, and then we'll crack on. Got my tape measure, got my pencil. .94. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wants to be the middle of there, doesn't it? Right, so we found the middle. I've measured it, but I wasn't getting an accurate thing because obviously it's all out of shape. But going on the grill with 13 hexagons across, so obviously the one in the middle is bang in the middle, so you go straight in the middle of that. There you go. Anyway, I digress. Let's get to this. This is the template, which folds out quite nicely. Like so, and that's the middle part there. So I don't know, I think it goes like so and runs along the edge of the bonnet like that. Tina, can I have a hand please? Assistance is on its way. Ah, no, hang on. Let me use the wipe first, because once I stick that on, it's it comes with an alcohol wipe, which is just to get anything off. We have cleaned it off. There is a little bit of bug splatter on it that we can't get off. This will just get off any greases and stuff so that the stickers will actually stick. So I shall do this. Ooh, it's quite damp. It's quite as they say, moist. Now, apparently that's a word on the internet that not a lot of people like. It's quite warm, this bonnet, so that's a good thing. You don't want to be doing it when it's cold because thingies won't stick very well. I think that's about it. That'll just get any grease and residue off, as I said, and help the sticky stick. Right, so now I will need the assistance of Tina. If I hold it on, you can put some masking tape down that bit. I just need to get it on the edge of the bonnet and get it bang in the middle. We'll start from the middle and we'll work our way out. And then just a piece on the end there. Oh dear. Don't you get French masking tape. It is rubbish. I don't know how the French put up with some of this stuff, you know. I think my hat's rising. Yeah. I will. By the end of this video, I'll look like a garden gnome.
Right. Payback for calling me a dwarf all those years.
Well, you are. Can't help it, can I?
I'm a hobbit, aren't I?
So you say.
Much prefer being a hobbit. Okay.
Yeah, that is perfect, thank you. So the template is all on, as you can see. It's bang in the middle, Range Rover. Now, with these bonnet stickers, now with this set from Powerful UK, unlike other sets on the internet, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the actual letter is curved to fit on the bonnet because the bonnet's curved. Funny that. So the letters are actually curved to fit on the bonnet. So we'll get these on, and some people provide flat ones and the sticker doesn't stick all the way because obviously the bonnet's curved. Anyway, you get the idea. Letters are going to go in these things here. So I'll stick them in there, stick them down, and we shall go along and do all this. I've got to remember how to spell now. R-A-N. Well, he's not on strike, is he? Perhaps he's a rebel. He's a scab. Yeah, the French are on massive strikes today. Something to do with their pensions. There's been a reform on their pensions or something like that. So they're all kicking off. National strikes, police, teachers. Was supposed to be postie as well, but clearly he's just driven past, so clearly he's not on strike. Perhaps he's dedicated to his job, or he's about due to retire, so the reforms won't come in for him. Who knows? I'm speculating. So now, all we've got to do is remove You don't ever want to let masking tape get wet because you have a hell of a job getting it off. I will take it off and I'll keep this template. I'm not sure why I'm keeping it. In fact, no. We don't need to keep it. Let's chuck it out. Don't keep rubbish. So there you go. That is how to apply bonnet decals, bonnet letters, bonnet badges, whatever you want to call them. The Bonnet Range Rover. Obviously this is the back of the car. What I didn't realise, these are titanium silver, which you can order from Powerful UK. I ordered chrome. But because they're so far apart at each end of the car, you're not going to notice the difference. That's about it. I don't know if you've noticed this, Ben's Garage stickers. You can get stickers and other bits and pieces over on our website at bensgarage.org. I'll put a link in the description. Be very much appreciated if you purchased a few items. Helps us out on the channel, helps us keep going and what have you. So that's it. We haven't cleaned the car, we cleaned the back of the car, and it's not even that's not a very good job. But yeah. So we're Range Rover badged up now. Front and rear, we know what sort of car it is. So to all you eagle-eyed viewers out there who keep saying, where's your bonnet letters? You ain't got no bonnet letters. And I did think actually, without the bonnet letters, the front end does look a little bit like a Discovery. At certain angles, I will say. You can't mistake a Range Rover front end from a Discovery front end, but with the grille and everything, now with the new badges on the bonnet, it really sets it off, so it's quite nice. So yes, we shall see what other embellishments we can procure for this car in the coming weeks. I've got my eye on a couple of little bits. I don't want to put loads of chrome on it because it'll look like we've ram-raided Halfords and all the bits that got stuck on the car. There's the farmer having a good old nose. Probably think, what are they bloody doing? So yeah, tasteful embellishments on the car. If you go on Powerful UK's website, you'll see they do all sorts for this car. Some of it is a bit OTT, A pillars, B pillars, window surrounds, number plate surrounds in chrome. They look, I think, if you put too much chrome on it, it'll look tacky. But there's a couple of little things I want to address on the car, just to make it stand out a little bit. And I don't know, it could just be me. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you've learned something, how to stick your badges on the bonnet. They do some kits as well. If you've still got the old badges on and you need to remove them, they do some kits where you can have a thing and a buffer wheel to clean all the adhesive off, all that kind of stuff. I'll put a link to their website in the description as well. I don't get anything from them. It's quite a good firm. They post to France and it turns up pretty quick. So they are quite a good firm. So that's about it. My hat is rising up, as you can see. I was expecting it to be up here by the end of the video, but I'll pull it back down again. Oh, bloody hairs on my eyes. Oh my God.
It's Christmas.
Oh, you've knocked my hat off. What, I'm gonna get my hair cut? Oh my good God. She's only gone and got me a bloody Christmas jumper with dogs on it.
Your face.
Oh, German Shepherds. There's a little Parker. Thanks, Tina. Got a little pocket in the front as well. Where did that turn up from?
That was close today.
Look at that. We're all set for Christmas.
That might have been oh no, it was the right way around. Yeah, because mine's got Labradors on it.
Has it?
Yeah.
Yeah, hope you liked this video. Please click the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. And from me and the Hobbit over here, who's wandering around with Christmas jumpers, it's bye for now.